going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel if you're new for the first time. Today I want to quickly go over just some different push-up variations which you can include into your own workout routine to give it a little bit more creativity, a little bit more challenge. So some of these variations are going to get pretty hard. It's going to take a little bit more time and discipline to get to them, but when you do, I promise it's going to be really rewarding. So a lot of information. That being said, let's get started. Thanks guys so much for watching this video. If you found something in it helpful and informative, please like, sub, comment, help the channel a little bit, and then also give me ideas to help you guys to the fullest and provide the most relevant content. So hopefully you found something that you want to incorporate into your own workout and your own routine. I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you guys in the next video.